I drove 8 hours through a blizzard to surprise my wife, Lena, for her birthday. What I heard when I arrived shattered everything. Our marriage had been rocky. Lena grew distant, obsessed with her sister Nina's lavish lifestyle, designer bags, tropical vacations, things we couldn't afford. I brushed it off as a phase. For her birthday, I lied about working late, secretly planning to show up at Nina's with Lena's favorite cake. The storm worsened, but I pushed through, white-knuckling the wheel, imagining her smile. Then I heard it, standing frozen in Nina's doorway, cake in hand. God, I hope he crashes. The insurance would be nice. Lena's laugh followed, sharp, cruel. I set the cake on the counter and walked out.